Welcome to Indian Bend Park, located in North Tempe near Miller and McKellips. We're so happy to unveil the new park renovations to you. We know that will provide hours of entertainment to people of all ages in the neighborhood. City parks are so important to our community. They bring people together to recreate, stay active, and to just hang out socially. They also keep us connected to nature, reminding us how important it is to spend time outside. They provide a place where people can be active and breathe in fresh air. And during the COVID-19 pandemic, city parks were a much-needed escape from quarantine and isolation. These are the reasons why Tempe City Council remains so committed to enhancing our city parks. In fact, we've committed more than $60 million to park renovations, updating playgrounds, ramadas, and making them more accessible. Now let's see that commitment in action with a tour of the new and improved Indian Bend Park.
This 8-acre park was developed in 1962 and has been the hub of activity for surrounding neighborhoods ever since. The playground has been completely renovated, including new lighting and more trees. The rubber surface in the play area was designed by Arizona-based artist Christopher Jagman. To reflect the neighborhood, his design incorporates bright pops of color with natural themes, including flowers and butterflies. The basketball and tennis courts at the park have also been resurfaced, allowing for better game time. And one of those courts now has pickleball striping to meet the demand of the growing sport. And we have added 2 brand new ramadas.
In addition to all these renovations, all city park improvements are designed and constructed so they are accessible and inclusive to all. Councilmember Navarro and I would like to thank you for taking this virtual tour with us.
We invite you to come out and enjoy it in person.